So, students of class 6, the same lesson, sorry, best friend, where we got to know about friendship of Sona with that girl, Rahima. So, we will be reading the later portions of that lesson. So, here it is. Rahima began to arrive in clean clothes. Her hair was neatly oiled and plaited. They would eat lunch together. Bai would bring Rahima in the morning and pick her up in the evening. The sea had cleaned all the homes into the colony. Now the day flew for Senu in the winking of an eye. It seemed the day was gone. Now his life changed after Rahima started coming to his house regularly. Now she came in neat dress and um very oiled hair, plaited hair. That means that she was coming in neatly dressed way. And her mother would bring her in the morning and would take her back in the evening. And now the days passed in the wink of an eye for Sonu. Now Sonu and Rahima would talk to each other 4 hours. Now 4 hours they would talk. He told her all his secrets, how he was going to be an engine driver. He told his ambition, that is to be an engine driver, how his father had been the best in the world, his father was the best in the world, and all about his lovely home in Delhi. Everything he told to Rahima. So, do you know, Mummy, I am Rahman's best friend, he told his mother when she came home. And when I become an engine driver, I'm going to give her rides all the time. No, this is what he wants to do. Then, when he will become an engine driver. Every day he will give rides to Rahima. So this is his plan. Let us move on to the next slide to see what is there. The holidays were almost over. On the first of the month, Mummy gave some money to Sanu as he was leaving. Now his mother gave some money to Sanu as he was leaving. Give it this cap. When by comes, give it to her. Um, Actually, mom gave some money to Sonu. And by comes give it to her, each her salary, then taking out some more rupees notes. And this is Rahima. Now she gave some money for Rahima also. Why Rahima's mommy? Son was. Why? Well, doesn't she come here every day to play with you? Smiled mommy. Now that mother of Sono smiled that she comes. She jokingly said this, but he took it seriously. And what happened after this, you will come to know. What did Rahima play with him? What did Rahima play with him because mummy paid her too? So she wasn't really his best friend. She didn't come because she liked him, but only for money. Sonu felt as if someone had slapped him. Now, when he was brooding over it, he asked us many questions. Is it that Sonu comes to him just because of the money, and she was not his best friend. And all this he thought. When Rahima arrived, Sanu said in an unfriendly voice, "Take it, the money you earned." But it was Bai who quickly grabbed the money from his hand. Now he was about to give it to Rahima, but his mother took it. That day, Sanu did not speak to Rahima or play with her. Sanu did not play nor talked to her. He went with his books to his own corner, and when Rahima playfully tried to snatch his book away, he flew at her. And he was reading his book in his corner, and Rahima tried to take a book. Then he flew at her. "Don't touch it. You can't read or write, stupid." Rahman said nothing. She just gazed at him with all her soul in her eyes. Now, what happened to him, she could not understand, so she looked at him. She did not say anything. So this much in this presentation. Will come up with new things in the next. Till that time, Bye, students. Thank you.